find me on Saturdays in my garden. So over here we got this nice lovely basil plant, and here we have this is lettuce, butter crunch lettuce. This right here is arugula, and this right here is kale. And also in this bucket, although you can't see, I did plant some cucumber seeds and some spinach. My blackberry plant, I picked a blackberry, and this blackberry plant, first of all, is giving some super sweet blackberries. So here we have little tomato plant. We got one tomato plant over here. This one is a smaller cherry tomato, but over here this one is a husky cherry red tomato plant. So we got a few little bulbs going there. And then over here the corn is still corning, so I had to get a trellis for both the corn and the tomato plant, because as they grow they need something to climb up on. And the lemon balm is spreading. Soon I'm going to start picking some of these off and either making some lemon balm tea or making like an oil to put in my diffuser. And this one I ended up putting some carrots in. And then the chipmunks unfortunately got to the garlic, which they really don't like garlic, but for whatever reason, I don't know. I planted some chives in here, and then some more sweet onions and garlic, because they keep digging up the seeds and eating them. See, this is what I have to do. And then over here the pepper plants are still sprouting and the flowers are coming in. So at some point, now that we're moving into the fall, they should start producing some peppers, because this is the prime season for them. And then back here, this is my black eyed peas plant. So definitely can't wait for the black eyed peas to start coming in. So this is how I'm looking, and of course it's an everyday battle with these chipmunks and keeping them out of the stuff. But I did go and get some blood meal to kind of layer up underneath the mulch and on top of the mulch, so even if it rains, the blood meal scent won't go away, because it'll be underneath the mulch and on top of the mulch, so double layered. This is how we are looking 2 weeks in, y'all. Look at that. Look at this one, first of all. This is the biggest one. This is a big behind egg. But they're still pushing out healthy. We're now up to 4 eggs a day. And even though this might not seem like much, I've already given away a dozen eggs to a coworker.